All right, I just got this Sunforce solar string light with remote control, and I really like it. I put up 2 strings up here. You see one there, and one going across the other way, and it's come out pretty nice. The kit comes out with a stake kit where you can stake the solar panel, which is over here. Let me zoom in on that real quick there, and I'll show you how I mounted mine. But they can give you a stake kit to put it down, or you can drill holes and mount it with a slide piece in here. It slides on and clamps down. You can take it off or put it back on. I didn't want to drill any holes into my guttering or anything, and I didn't want to stake it in the ground because of my dogs. But it comes with all the hardware necessary and everything, and comes with a good manual. It's very descriptive of what it needs to do. But let me show you how I did mine real quick, and then show you how it looks at night. And it's really great. The remote, you can do it from in the house and turn it on, and it's really, really pretty. All right. To hang the 2 cords, I overlapped them a little here, so I had to use some tie straps to keep overlapping them. And I just used the regular hooks you get at Walmart. And they're fairly cheap. They're a little bit under $4 for a big box, a whole bunch of them. I only needed 4. But you can always use some later. Just screwed them into my eaves here. And just overlap the cables all the way across, and the same thing over there. Just overlapped it there. And using the tie straps and the hooks, did an X. Some people run it across the whole rails here, and that's fine. And then on the solar, I'll show you that just right now. Now the solar comes with a stake to put in the ground to mount it, or you can drill holes into your guttering. I really didn't want to do that, so I just used tie straps and the base of the unit here, and just hooked it up so that I could get sun onto the panel here. And it's been working fine. I mean, I can run this all night, and it gets dim about morning, so that's a good 6 hours of use, just to 8 hours. So that's pretty fair, and better than most. And it just works really well. Mounting it like this, it doesn't move. We've been through a couple of weather situations and nothing's happened, so I just used this little arm on the gutter here and mounted it to it. No problems, didn't get in front of the debris or anything, so it works really good, well for me. And let me give you a night shot here of what it looks like. And at night it comes out and looks pretty nice. Good luck, God bless, and it works for me.